Reminiscences of a Stock Operator is a classic book written by Edwin Lefèvre that offers valuable insights into the world of stock trading and investment. While summarizing each chapter in detail would be impractical, I can provide a concise overview of the book's main themes. 1. Introduction. The book opens with the author meeting with Larry Livingston, a pseudonym for the real-life legendary trader Jesse Livermore. Livingston shares his experiences and philosophy of trading. 2. The early years. Livingston's early days involve working as a bucket shop runner, learning about market manipulation, and realizing the importance of following the market's movements. 3. New York trading. Livingston moves to New York, immerses himself in the financial district, and becomes a skilled tape reader, learning to interpret stock prices and trading patterns. 4. Speculating as a profession. Livingston emphasizes the importance of treating trading as a profession, focusing on proper risk management, and avoiding emotional biases. 5. The game. The author discusses the psychology of speculation, highlighting the role of emotions and crowd behavior in influencing stock prices. 6. Trading rules. Livingston shares a set of trading rules he has developed, emphasizing the need for discipline, patience, and adherence to a well-defined strategy. 7. Trading principles. This chapter delves deeper into Livingston's trading principles, including the importance of cutting losses quickly, not overtrading, and trading in line with the market trend. 8. The psychology of speculation. The psychological aspects of trading are explored further, with emphasis on the dangers of overconfidence, fear, and greed. 9. Stock operators versus investors. The book distinguishes between stock operators, speculators, and investors, highlighting the different approaches, objectives, and risk tolerances of each. 10. Manipulation in the stock exchange. Livingston discusses the role of manipulation in the stock market, cautioning traders against falling prey to market manipulators and focusing on genuine market signals. 11. Learning from mistakes. The author emphasizes the importance of learning from past mistakes, using them as opportunities for growth and improvement. 12. The importance of analysis. Livingston underscores the significance of thorough analysis before making trading decisions, including studying financial reports, industry trends, and market conditions. 13. The dual nature of stock. This chapter explores the contradictory nature of stocks as both investment assets and speculative instruments, offering insights into their valuation and behavior. 14. Valuation versus price. Livingston reflects on the distinction between the intrinsic value of a stock and its market price, emphasizing the need to assess stocks based on their true worth rather than relying solely on market sentiment. 15. Commitment and conviction. The author stresses the importance of commitment to one's trading decisions and having the conviction to follow through, even when facing adversity. 16. Conclusion. The book concludes with Livingston summarizing his trading philosophy and offering words of wisdom to aspiring traders, highlighting the importance of self-discipline, adaptability, and continuous learning. Overall, Reminiscences of a Stock Operator is a captivating account that offers valuable insights into the mindset, strategies, and challenges of a successful stock trader.